you in fact award na fair momra Facebook na momehwe award na fair papa Floodlight Media Excellence Award. What's up, Pacho? And I have a special guest. Obrimpong last week. The way I now see S3 papa akosibu at interview no. Me person na obesa interview. Now when you had too much. Now when you every power. I see. I don't know. Dave, my answer. Like I'm a positive. My answer. The entertainment. Yeah. But it's really too much now. I'm go. Escafolo serious no through. Yes, indeed. Oh yes, sir. Lewe guy. It's a world devil award. Hey, Mika, Lewe, was it a? That's our award. Because it be TV so. That's a me bad in the sack of candy. Go me ko bomb me bad no go. Lewe go you. Sabo. Yamma one when you na baso. You be abema. You do the bone shake and your drive time show host of the year. And Usunya Entertainment Pundit of the Year, Reverend Daniel Uncle Phil, Floodlight Media Excellence Award. Yamo Omoma Kamo industry nimuna from Mama Ife, from Mr. Bones. Mama winning for lots of people. Our dear sister. Sandy, and again was the official MC for the show. Yeah. On the portfolio, Bacho. Okay. Oh, yeah, but MC now. Sandy, take you over. Everything was on point. Makeup was on point. Costume was on point. Yeah. How many times? Twice. Okay. And I did the red carpet. What is and a passing now for year for the man also. Okay. So you could see you could see do baby at no moment be a low. Yeah. Na ne kasa pija. What I say related to I have for no number before who I saw from penny for my money at the but we are now related to a mono. It was on your boy I didn't then I say there be suffer Mama suffer for no decent to just suffer ya tutu shire guso ya tutu powder guso indeed that one is very good me and them say comport ho kakra yeah first you I bet you because I glass because I want no me brain. Oh yeah. Of course. But you're more important. I told you people say Sofu Dani is going to get it. And indeed Sofu Dani is right. Yeah. And we and your frack Adam Sindia. Told you to me kwame. Of course. Before me go round, me go hey. Of course. The highest vote was for Sofu Dani. What do you have to say to the people of Ghana? The woman is after they voting for you, they doing all it has to take to get you this award. Then I'll catch a Ghana for. With the Ghana for you now, the kind of the young couple so award in the buy. You catch any people who you say, when you pay us, or the young couple pedia, no one to buy the also paramount. They won't say industry, woman that me radio in your neck. Then so, my can't send be auntie. Nemu Radi Bam acquire some inquiry in Juman. Na Miss Adam at Tiba radio muno. Tisia Becassa, na atasumu. Until Yankopon aye, Yadanasina, despite media dear. And once said that they been to Minda. A free penny for Mode Jumaya Nina, Yankopon said the Islamopa. Ever pass Samson, Yankopon Islano. On said, despite media, Yankopon Yaduba Dave. Oh, mamma, crime my bahay. The fire was so bahay. And your Marco ye. Until me aka say, radio be brain a Marcos dear. But despite media na, Ama and Munyamke see we yaba. And until Dave was Yakopo himself. Producers now watch, you know. Munina Yakopo himself. I smile.
Iceman, Yago Boy Slow. Anna, the woman is say vote, no. Yeah, announcement to her. Go for to me vote free outside. Minimum. No, my screenshot, nobody has sent it, so for Daniel vote amount. And in Kofobi Wabu vote, mammy, and name one pa, especially ever pass off a job watching. A job watching over Bremen, New York. Ever pana Sabi, near friend for 21 years in it. Or tie vote in the Chisa, the Biadu, some say, so for Daniel Kusi saying, and I remember.